Hello everyone, here is another video with OrgTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to identify bond order without using the molecular orbital diagram. To identify bond order without using MO diagram, we can simply use these references: C2, N2, O2, F2, and Ne2. The bond order for C2 it is 2, for N2 it is 3, for O2 it is 2, for F2 it is 1, and for neon Ne2 it is 0. We should compare number of valence electron in these compounds with the compound we want to identify its bond order. The number of valence electron in C2 it is 8 electrons. In N2 it is 10 electrons, O2 12, F2 14, and Ne2 is 16 electrons. Any formula for diatomic compound or ion we have, we can compare their electrons and easily find the bond order. For example, we would like to know what is the bond order for carbon monoxide. Carbon atom has 4 valence electrons and oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So carbon monoxide has 10 electrons. Because it has 10 electrons, it should have the same bond orders for N2 with 10 electrons. So the bond order in carbon monoxide, it is also 3. The next example is cyanide anion. Again, we know carbon is 4 valence electron, nitrogen has 5 valence electrons, and we have 1 extra electrons because of the negative charge. Again, in total, we have 10 electrons. So again, it should be a triple bond. So our bond order, it is 3. So here are the Lewis structure of carbon monoxide and cyanide. And the formal charge, it is on carbon. Here, for the next example, let's identify the bond order for N2+. We know N2 has 10 electrons, but because it is positive, it lost one of those 10 electrons. So we have only 9 electrons in N2+. And if we take a look to these references, the 9 electron, it is in between C2 and N2. So here we have 9 electrons. So our bond order also should be in between. So it should be 2.5. So the bond order for N2+ is 2.5. The next example is peroxide anion O2, 2-. Each oxygen has 6 valence electrons, so 2 times 6. In addition of that, we have 2 negative charge, so we should have 2 extra electrons. So in total, we have 14 electrons in this anion. And 14 electron is exactly like F2. So O2, 2- peroxide anion should be a single bond. Our bond order, it is 1. So here is the structure for peroxide anion or O2, 2-. Let's have more examples. I would like to find the bond order for C2, 2-, NO+, F2+, and N2-. Let's start with C2, 2-. Each carbon has 4 valence electrons. In addition of that, we have 2 extra electrons, so we have 10 electrons. We go to the reference, 10 electron is look like N2, so we should have triple bond. Our bond order, it is 3. And here is the structure for C2, 2-. NO+. Nitrogen, it has 5 valence electrons. Oxygen has 6, but because we have positive charge, we lost 1 electron, so minus 1. Again is 10 electrons, so we have NO. And here we have formal positive charge on oxygen. F2 plus 7 plus 7 minus 1, we have 13 electrons. 13 electron, it is in between O2 and F2. So its bond order also it is in between. So the bond order should be 1.5. And the last one, N2 minus. Each nitrogen have 5 electrons. With 1 extra electron because of negative charge, we have 11 electrons. 11 electron is in between O2 and N2. So the bond order is in between as well, is 2.5. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more video, please don't forget to subscribe.